Guys, so this is the next day. I couldn't finish the video the first day we started with the cooking and the regular stuff, just because we were thinking we'll just fry and everything on the 24th instead of the 23rd. So we stored it in the fridge. We've cooked the chicken. As you can see, there are a lot of chicken here, quite a number. Alright guys, just like you guys saw, I already beat up my egg. I already whisked it too, so it's here. And now what I want to do is I want to get my seasoning and everything that I want to be on the chicken. So I want to get them and put them all together and mix them up. So I like to add pepper, which is really essential, dry pepper. I like to add garlic, ginger, and a few other things that I personally do like to like. So you can add things that you'd like to be on your chicken. It's not the same for anyone or everyone, so I'll do that now. And also we mistakenly got the normal garlic, like the normal garlic. We didn't get the powdered garlic, and that was a really big mistake on our part. Now what I want to kind of do is just take the garlic and grind it. The blender is not working, so I want to go ahead and use stone and use the old-fashioned style and see how that works out for us. Alright guys, so I just had my spices mixed up together. I just mixed up most of my spices together, so you can see that most of them is pepper that is inside here, and I added a little other seasoning too as well. And here over here we have our egg. I had already whisked it already, and it's here and looking nice. Then we also do have our chicken. I'm not going to be frying everything the KFC way, but I'm going to fry some the KFC way, some the regular way you fry chicken, and we want to see the difference. So yes, we have this here and this here and this here. Now I want to go ahead and put the granite oil on the fire. What you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that when you're using your oil, whatever brand you're using or whatever type of oil you're using, you want to make sure that the oil fills the pot so the chicken swims on in it, so it's more of deep frying and not the other way around. Here we have the onions and every other pepper that we need, and you will ask why we need this. I'll show you guys in a second. I learned this trick from CCME, I believe, or is it CC Jemima or something? I don't know which one, I don't remember, but it's practically just putting this whole thing and putting like this whole bunch of onion in the frying oil and leaving it there as you fry your chicken. It's, I think, helps somehow with the frying and the taste of the chicken or something, or whatever you're frying in that. I just kind of removed the pot from the fire just because we are not meant to use phone near gas. And this, don't try this at home by the way. This is the oil, it's almost reaching the top of the pan. And what I want to do now is I want to peel this bulb of onion and dip it into the oil, as well as a scotch bonnet pepper. What I want to do now is just kind of put it into the oil so that it fries on its own there. Now this is going to be the routine. What we want to do is we just actually want to get one chicken. So let's say I want to go for this chicken. I'll get this one. I would, let me make this more. I would dip this chicken into this egg and roll it up there. Make sure you wash your hands before you go in and do all of this. I'll dip it, make sure it's all coated in the egg. And what I want to do now is rub it in this and all the spices, and so it immediately sticks to the chicken. And this is example 1. Now it's about to get messy, so this is how it goes up, and I'm going to dip it into the bowl of oil in a bit very soon. Now this is the oil. I'm just going to go ahead and place it in. Hi guys, so I'm sure you saw everything that I did, so I'm done. This is the first cooking video I'm doing on my channel. I just decided to do it because I was feeling like doing it basically. So this is the end result. This is how Kfc's it looks like. So when you see your KFC chicken thumbnail, when you see your KFC chicken and you're wondering how the hell did you get about this Kfc's chicken, just know that I stole the idea and I'll keep on stealing it. Good stuff. No, you need to steal this recipe too, because you really don't have to go to KFC. I just make, you can literally just bring KFC home, bring KFC to your house instead of wasting your money, you know. Subscribe, like, comment, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. How about that? Bye guys.